Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the country of your YouTube channel on mobile in just a few simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Next, tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap on View Channel. Then tap on the About section. Here, you can see that the country added to the channel is the United States. To change it, you will need to close the YouTube app and open the Chrome browser. In the search bar, type studio.youtube.com. Once you're on that page, open it in desktop site mode. Now, in the bottom left corner, you'll see the Settings option. Tap on that. Then tap on Channel. Tap on Country of Residence. You will see a list of all countries. Select the country you want to change to. I am selecting United Kingdom. After selecting the country, tap the Save button. This way, your channel's country will be changed. Let me show you how to check whether the country has been updated. For that, I'll go back to the YouTube app, refresh it once, and open the About section again. And as you can see, the country has been changed. And that's it. How to change the country of your YouTube channel on mobile. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.